In this video, I'm going to teach you a trick on how to figure out what a pentagon adds up to, the angles, what the angles of a pentagon add up to. So if we have this problem, it says, what do the angle measures of a pentagon add up to? And we just have a pentagon here with nothing on it. There's 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we know it's a pentagon. So the trick is, we know the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. We know that. We've been working on that. So we can figure out how many triangles make up a pentagon. So how are we going to do that? We could see that we could cut up this pentagon into some triangles. And we have how many? 1, 2, 3. There's 3 triangles in this pentagon. So a pentagon is made up of 3 triangles. Each triangle's angles add up to 180 degrees. So to find the answer, we multiply 3 times 180 degrees, which equals 540. So the angle measures of a pentagon add up to 540 degrees. So how does that make sense? Well, you could see that there's, for this triangle, there's this angle, and this angle. And then for this triangle, we have this angle, and this angle. So, and again, for this one, this angle, this angle, this angle. So when we add up the angles of this, and this, that'll give us this measure. And then if we add up the angles of this and this, that'll give us this angle. And then if we add up the angles for this, and this, it'll give us the measure of this angle. So that's why it works out to the right answer. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.